What's crack-a-lackin', everyone? Today's video is called Floral. What we ended up doing was we painted the background kind of a burnt sienna color to start, and then we took just drops of paint and just did a typical Dutch pour method with a straw to kind of blow them out to get flowers. And I actually had to improvise with the white at the end because I did not like the way it looked at all. And I took a risk just throwing white on the canvas and blowing that to kind of give it more of a speckled look. And I like it a lot. I like this piece a lot because of that. If I would have just stopped before doing the white, I would hate this piece, but luckily it ended up working really, really nice. Anyways, let us know your comments down below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Thanks everyone for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see y'all again soon. See ya.